Hello and welcome here. In this video we are going to do the example of adding the digits of the number. Suppose I have the number, suppose to sorry, this is so long number, and this we have to add 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. This is not a real life problems. This can be done easily, but this would help to make our knowledge and building a concept very clearly. Here first of all we will input number from number is equal to, we will make integer parts of this number, and we will say user should enter exactly same number, means integer number, enter integer number. Now first of all we have to find the number of digit. Here I will say digits is equal to len dot str. We have to make a string to this number because this is in the form of, this is the integer. And how we can, first of all we have to make the logic here. First of all I will show, suppose I have 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. First of all we cannot add from this side because we will add from this side. We will add 5. We are not adding 50 plus 6, we are adding 5 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Here we can get by dividing by 10. Sorry for this. We will get 2 3 4 5.6, means if we convert it to integer we will get only this part, and this will be the remainder. So we can find remainder by simply method this. Here we will get remainder is equal to 6, and we will add this to our sum. This is how you can make this problem. I will make sum is equal to 0. For I in here I will make number digits in range. I will say digit because I have already make here digits. Digits in the range, digits means it will run from 0 1 2 3 4, it will count the number, but we don't have any relation with 0 1 2 3 4 this, but we have to make the loops that much time this is running. Here we will just pass number is equal to, here we will pass simply int part of, will pass number. No, first of all we have to find the, what we will say, digit. No, we have to let's make a, why we have to make any why we have to or here I will say n is equal to, first of all number percentage 10, and we have to decrease that number, and number will be equal to integer part of number divided by 10. It should give me a result. I should print here number only, not anything, so that I should confirm that it will give me integer part number. Here this is a number, sorry for this, here also number, and here also b. Let's run and see what we will get here. I should enter 1 2 3 4 and ranger is not defined here. I have made a bad mistake. And 1 2 3 and 4, as it is giving me 1 2 3 1 2 1 and 0 at the last. It remains 0. You can say, make here while loop also. While this number is greater than 0, it will run the loop. But we can make this, I will show that in while loop also, and we don't need this. Here we will make sum is equal to, here I will pass, we should make this value. First of all, I will show this step, how this step wise it will work. And first of all, we will make plus is equal to n. I have already told that this will work as sum is equal to sum plus n. So we have the shortcut method in any programming language, so we will use that. It will decrease our loop, and I have to print here sum only. It is dividing and dividing, and we are getting digit. Let's print it. I should get 1 2 3 4 5. Let's make 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, 9 plus 3 is equal to 12, 12 plus 2 is equal to 14, 14 plus 1 is equal to 15. Yes, we have got the right answer. Now I want to show you that we should get some value here, that I will print here. Simply I will print like this is, I'll pass here like this. I will make this is of 12, this is of 12, yes, and again this is of 12, and this is with format. I will pass here. First of all, I will make this before this, so that you would get every step that it is making to us. Format is equal to sum, and we will pass here number, and I will print this line also here, print number. So this is a practical explanation rather than I am explaining you with my mouth without giving the example. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Let's see here. First of all, there are two thing here. It is multiplying here. We should not, I will not make anything here, this much loop here, and I will also delete this here, and I will pass simply asterisk here. It will multiply. So we are adding this sum here, and we have to make here positive plus sign. Sorry for this. Let's see that it will plus this. Let's see it. First of all, adding this 0 and 6, and here we have get the answer 6 here, and it is adding to this 5 here because we have 6 here and this 5, and this result will be 11. It will adding to 4, and it is remaining. We are getting one step back and one step back, one step forward to this more level, and 15 plus 3 is equal to 2. Sorry, this is 15 plus 3 is equal to 18. This 12 is from here. 18 plus 2 is equal to 20. 20 plus here is remaining 1. It will add this. At the last there is 1 when we percentage, and this answer with quotient will be 0 and remainder will be 1, and it will add to this, and this will be 23. Let's check by ourselves. 5 plus 6 is equal to 11, 11 plus 4 is equal to 20, 20 plus 5, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, 6 plus 5 is equal to 11, 11 plus 4 is equal to 15, 15 plus 5 is equal to 20, 20 plus 1 is equal to 21. That is our answer. This is how you can add the single digit, add, divide, add, multiply, what you can do with this multiply. And you can calculate Armstrong number also. What is Armstrong number? Suppose I have 1 2 3 4 5, here are 5 digit, and the result, when I make 1 raised to power 5 plus 2 raised to power 5, all this number would get the power of 5, and the result would get the same number. That is called Armstrong number. You can find by this method. So nothing is greater here, nothing is harder here. You can try this. In next video I will bring some new type of problem. I will use this same concept in a coming series, and we will make that as the program, and on some we will solve that problem. Thank you for watching this video. Stay with us and like, share and subscribe, and build our community larger. Thank you.